Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to develop a virtual assistant with Perplexity AI. Whether you are creating a chatbot for customer service or a personal assistant for productivity, Perplexity AI can help you build an intelligent and responsive assistant. So let's dive in. First of all, visit the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply, first of all, sign up on the Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select the settings icon. Now get to the top right corner and select API section. Here you need to select this docs icon. Now select this get started button. And now you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will grant you access to Perplexity AI's virtual assistant capabilities. Next, set up your development environment. Ensure you have the necessary libraries and dependencies installed to interact with the Perplexity AI API. Now define the core functionalities of your virtual assistant. This could include answering your queries, scheduling tasks, providing recommendations, or handling specific business needs. Integrate the Perplexity AI API into your virtual assistant application by configuring it to handle user inputs and generate responses. This involves setting up the appropriate API endpoints and managing the interactions between the user and the assistant. Send user inputs to the Perplexity AI API and receive the responses. Ensure that your application can process and display these responses in a user-friendly manner. Now, train and fine-tune your virtual assistant by providing it with sample dialogues and user interactions. This will help Perplexity AI understand your specific user cases and improve its performance. Now test your virtual assistant thoroughly to ensure it handles various scenarios effectively and provides accurate and relevant responses. Now deploy your virtual assistant to your desired platform, whether it's a website, mobile app, or messaging service. Ensure it's accessible to users and integrate seamlessly with other systems if needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can develop a virtual assistant with Perplexity AI, providing your users with a powerful and intelligent tool to enhance their experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.